Hello, guys. Let's talk about free will today. It needs to be talked about because free will, the fact that it's an idea that's being rotated throughout the world for such a long period of time that people have free will, situations have free will, the universe has its own ideas of how life should be, and it's a concept that is often used to dissuade you from pursuing certain dreams, be it a specific person or a specific job or a specific result or outcome in your life, winning competition, stuff like that. So, is free will real? And should you worry about it? And the answer to the question is simply no. There is no free will because the world is run on programs, meaning, when it comes to humans, programs being your thoughts and assumptions. So, before you talk yourself out of a certain manifestation that you desire just because somebody told you, oh, free will is a thing and you need to honor it, so certain things are off limits. And as long as, in my personal opinion, as long as you are not doing anything shady to influence people, meaning forcing action, forcing that other person or that other thing or a particular competition, you're all right as long as you are manifesting. Trying to manifest a change in other person's behavior by changing your own thoughts about them. Trying to manifest a certain result where you are the chosen person by simply using the manifestation techniques, I feel there is nothing wrong with that. Because what even is free will? People try to tell you that other people, companies, organizations have the right to choice, but that is where things get interesting. Because any choice somebody makes, whether it's you or your specific person or a company you want to get the job at or a college you want to get selected to or a competition you would like to win, choices are influenced by what? By programming, is it not? You might think that you are free to choose, but the choices that you will make in life or the choices anybody else will make in life is based on their assumptions and beliefs. It's based on the energy that's influencing them, and that energy is based on assumptions and beliefs. This is why we say everyone is you pushed out. This is why people will behave with you. People have no choice but to behave with you in a way that's consistent with your assumptions and your beliefs. Results in life, be it getting a particular job, getting into a particular college, regardless of how many marks you have in the entrance examination, the result of certain things will be consistent with your beliefs. It cannot be any other way. There is no free will. There is just choices made based upon beliefs and assumptions. So do not fall into the trap of, oh, there's free will. Because there isn't free will. There is just choices that are consistent. There is an illusion of free will, let me tell you, because there are choices that are consistent with your programming. Programming meaning, again, assumptions and beliefs and the thoughts you keep thinking, the visualizations you keep visualizing. And I am a prime example of this because, like I told you, I've posted a few videos about this change that recently happened. You can go check them out, but I waited to get monetized on YouTube for 2 years and nothing happened, where I could have just given up because 2 years. And then I got consistent with my beliefs, consistent with changing my beliefs, consistent with visualizing the right kind of outcomes, consistent with thinking the right kind of thoughts. And within 21 days, everything changed. I will link that channel down below as well. There is an illusion of free will because there is no free will. People will behave with you in a way that is consistent with your expectations of them. Again, the law of expectation. I recently created a video on that. Go check it out. The law of expectation, the law of assumption is what is creating your reality. not the free will. There is no free will. There cannot be free will. And if unfortunately a law of assumption coach is telling you that, I don't think they understand the law of assumption. Because either your reality can be created by your assumptions and beliefs, or there can be free to choose whatever we desire. Doesn't work both ways. So if you have a goal, if you want a person, if you want a particular job, if you want to win a particular competition, if you want to go participate in the Olympics, if you want to win a particular title, you have all the right to manifest that. Like I said, as long as you don't try to force things. And by forcing, what does forcing mean? Forced actions. I'm talking about forced actions. I'm not even talking about inspired actions. Forced actions. Actions you take based on fear instead of alignment. As long as you're not taking those forced actions, actions you take based on fear instead of alignment, as long as you are changing your thoughts, changing your beliefs, and taking inspired action, you have all the rights to go after a particular dream. Do not fall into the trap of free will and the illusion of free will, because it does not exist. Free will does not exist. You will act. That's the thing. You will act in a way that is consistent with your self concept, your beliefs, your assumptions. Even the choices you feel you are free to make are actually already made for you based on your thoughts, beliefs, and assumptions. There is no free will. So, as long as you don't take forced actions, as long as you are getting aligned, as long as you are visualizing the right thing, affirming for the right thing, and taking inspired action, you are within your rights to manifest whatever it is that you desire. And if you would, let me give you a final tip. If you would like to make this change for yourself, like where you make the right choices and you get the right kind of life, your dream life, change your beliefs and assumptions about yourself. That will change. When you change your beliefs and assumptions about yourself, you will change the kind of actions you take, you will change the kind of choices you make, and you will change the kind of results you get in your life. There is no free will. There is just choices that you make, that anybody makes, based on beliefs and assumptions. And that's all there is to living in this world. So thank you so much for joining me here today. I'm Neha Kumar. Subscribe to the channel if you've not subscribed yet. If you've watched this video till now, subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon when you do subscribe to the channel so that you never miss out on another video I post. Comment Master Manifestor, like this video, share this video, and to book personal coaching, if you'd like to book personal coaching with me, you can email me. The details will be in the description box or my pinned comment, and I will see you again real soon. Bye.